If you've ever spent $7 on a tiny carton of almond milk only to realize it's mostly water and additives, this might be the kitchen gadget you didn't know you needed. A lot of plant-based milk makers promise cafe-quality drinks at home, but most either leave chunky texture behind or become a nightmare to clean. So the big question is, does the Mooye automatic nut milk maker actually make daily homemade milk easier, or is it just another appliance that ends up collecting dust? Today, we're checking out the Mooye automatic nut milk maker machine, an 8-in-1 soy and nut milk maker designed for people who want fresh homemade drinks without spending extra time soaking, blending, filtering, and cleaning everything afterward. Whether you're into almond milk, oat milk, soy milk, smoothies, or even warm rice paste drinks, this machine is trying to replace multiple appliances with one compact setup. And honestly, for busy families or anyone trying to cut down on store-bought non-dairy drinks, it's a pretty interesting option. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, the first thing that stands out is the design. It has that modern countertop look that blends in nicely with most kitchens instead of screaming industrial blender. The body feels solid, and the stainless steel inner tank gives it a more durable feel compared to cheaper plastic milk makers you usually see online. It's compact enough to leave on the counter full-time, but still large enough to make drinks for multiple people at once. The controls are also surprisingly beginner-friendly. Instead of dealing with confusing presets, you basically choose your mode, hit start, and let it do its thing. That simplicity matters more than you'd think, especially early in the morning when nobody wants to read a manual before coffee. What really makes this machine stand out is how practical it feels in real daily use. The 800-watt heating system and high-speed motor work together, so you're not waiting forever for hot drinks, and the texture is noticeably smoother than what you get from basic blenders. The 10-blade setup actually breaks down nuts and oats really well, so drinks come out creamy instead of gritty. And if you want an extra silky texture, they even include a filter bag for double straining. That's especially useful for almond or soy milk lovers who hate sediment at the bottom of the cup. One feature I genuinely think busy people will appreciate is the 12-hour delay timer. You can load ingredients at night, set the timer, and wake up to warm soy or oat milk in the morning. It sounds small, but it removes a lot of friction from actually sticking to healthier routines. The keep warm function is also useful if your mornings are chaotic and you're not drinking it immediately. Noise levels are another pleasant surprise here. It's definitely not silent because there's still a powerful motor inside, but it's nowhere near as aggressive as a standard countertop blender. You can actually hold a conversation while it's running. Cleaning is also easier than expected. The self-cleaning mode won't completely replace rinsing everything afterward, but it cuts down most of the annoying cleanup work. For a machine dealing with sticky ingredients like oats and nuts, that matters a lot. Now, to keep this honest, it's not perfect. If you mainly want tiny single servings, this machine may feel slightly oversized. And while the automatic system is convenient, it's not as lightning fast as tossing ingredients into a high-end Vitamix blender. Also, because it heats internally, you want to clean it fairly soon after use instead of letting residues sit for hours. Compared to similarly priced nut milk makers, though, the Mooye does a really solid job balancing convenience, capacity, and ease of use. Some cheaper models struggle with texture or don't include heating functions at all, while premium machines can cost significantly more without dramatically improving the final drink quality. This one lands in a sweet spot where it feels approachable for beginners, but is still capable enough for people making plant-based drinks regularly. At the end of the day, I think this machine makes the most sense for health-conscious households, dairy-free drink lovers, busy parents, or, honestly, why anyone tired of paying premium prices for store-bought almond and oat milk. If you only make plant-based drinks once every couple of months, it might be overkill. But if it becomes part of your normal routine, the convenience starts making a lot more sense pretty quickly. So overall, the Mooye automatic nut milk maker delivers where it matters most. Convenience, smoother texture, easy operation, and less cleanup than you'd expect. If that sounds like something that would genuinely improve your mornings, check out the link in the description. And if this review helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what homemade drink you'd make first.